Mgomo upo, utaanza tarehe 18 ikiwa kama yale ambao tumesema hayatatekelezwa.
Ucio niguo mukana uria warutirwo ni kiama kia manathi guku bururi-ini thiko 14 hetoku makiuga wona mateta mao magakurumbuiyo ni makuigamira thi. Mugomo uria uratanyitwo kwanjiriria muthenya wa rucio no riu ni mautiririe thutha wa giikaro kiria gitafanitio gatagati ka arigitani aya na maabitha kuma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri.
We have decided that the strike is going to be suspended for another period of 21 days in order to allow for conciliation process to take place without anybody feeling that the gun is being held at the head of somebody. So we want to give the government 21 days for that conciliation process that begins tomorrow, as well as mechanisms that are put place by the Ministry of Health to address historical injustices. Therefore, we are telling our members to remain on duty.
Arigitani aya makoretwo mari na kiheri kia mateta maria marenda thirikari imathikiririe na hamwe namo ni gucerithirio kwa mishara, muthutukanio gatagati-ini kao, kwaga marehi ma njoherera, kwagagio ni borithi mathai-ini ma kafiu, kwaga gutamburwo na kwaga kwambatirio ngathi wira-ini. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia manathi Seth Panyako akiuga ati matikoretwo makirumbuiyo na thengia wao gukorwo mari muhari wa mbere hari kuhurana na king'uki gia COVID-19.
On Friday with the Ministry of Health officials, and we had lengthy discussions on all the issues affecting health sector, even including those that are not in the strike notice. And we agreed that we do a framework on how we are going to work together with the Ministry of Health and ensure that all those issues are resolved, especially those we call in health sector as historical injustices.
Oho ni maugete muthenya wa rucio ni merigireire kugia na giikaro kingi kia mwanya na minister wa aruti a wira Simon Chelugui, muikariri giti wa kanjo ya magavana Wycliffe Oparanya, hamwe na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe.
We have had a fruitful engagement on Friday with the government, with the Ministry of Health. And we are also going forward to have an engagement with the CS Labor, CS Health, and the COG, Oparanya, the Chairman of Council of Governors, the NMS in Nairobi, General Badi. And I think looking at the situation, the current circumstance that our country is exposed, because we are in a state of a global emergency. And we felt that when we are engaged, we should give the engagement dialogue a chance.
Gukiri uguo riu ni moritie manathi guothe bururi-ini kuroka wira muthenya wa rucio kugia na wetereria mu ni mereirwo mateta maya ni magukorwo makimurikwo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Getwo Nduta wa Nyuthe.
Na Mungu atawabariki. Asanteni.